Hi, so welcome to Material Mondays and this particular project. So it's moved on quite a bit from the last time you saw it. I have added these beads. I've added the beads, I've added more stitching around the place, just filling in around here and around here. I may do some more up here and in these spots, just having a contrast in terms of thread. Maybe the white thread, I'm feeling the white thread along here, so we'll see. And the other thing I've done is add these, we'll call them beads, but it was from a large earring. And so I've taken these elements off. And sometimes what you need to do is, if you've made a decision, sometimes you need to sit with it and think, you know, is this what I want? And so I did it on the outside edges and in the middle. So what I was thinking was having them go down the side like this. So that would move down. So I need to get some more. The only thing about this is that I noticed that there is some rusting on it. So I'll just wipe that off. Hopefully that should be fine. And I do think it looks better with them all around. I'm going to do the bottom as well to see what I think, and then just choose the ones that are the nicest looking. Choose the ones of these metal pieces. So I'll probably need 3 along here. We're going to be competing with the guy who's trimmed the grass next door. So we'll try and get on with the main bits. Every day you've got somebody cutting their grass. Anyway, yeah, so that's what I'm going for, and I do like the look of that. So as I say, I put the kind of first few on to help give me an idea. And yeah, I think it works. The other thing I really like are these beads. They're really soft to the touch, and I've got a few more, so I've got to decide how I want to present them on the piece. So what are we going to do now? I've also got to be mindful of the backing fabric and the border that I want to put on. But let's actually get this on. The other thing I have to do with the beads is I strung 12 beads along here. These are 12 beads in each one, and I need to secure them. So probably every second bead I'll do a stitch across it to stop it from moving like that. So let's get on with it. I've enjoyed doing it. See, I told you we're competing, so I might have to we'll do some of the stitching first. Yeah, I really enjoyed doing it, so let's get on with some of this, and we'll come back after I've added these. We'll come back. I've been using a single bead here just to hold it as well. So here we have it for now. I've, as you've seen, strengthened these along the side, and I've added these side bits, an extra bead in there, and I'm feeling as if we've got enough on here. So it's just for me to add the borders and the backing. So what I'll show you next week is this completed, and we'll look at what the new project will be that I'll be starting on. Yeah, I think once we've got the backing on, we can it will be as I feel it should be. Maybe do some stitches in here and in there, but I think on the whole I like the way that it's taken shape. So I hope that that has been useful for you, that you've seen a project from, you didn't actually see it from the start, but if you look back at some of my projects, you'll see in terms of painting on fabric is one, dyeing fabric is the next, wax resist, and then bringing these elements of fabrics. They don't have to have that on them, but you can then do the same things with alternative fabric and bring them together and slow stitch on them and then embellish them. So I hope you give it a try, and maybe start with a smaller one, but do try and see how you get on. Okay, we'll see you for now. Take care and stay inspired.